Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Ben Rosso and this is the Gadget Medic. We're located in the piney woods of Longview, Texas. It's a little humid, a little swampy, but we love it. No, really, you sweat a lot, but we really love it. The Gadget Medic is founded upon the principle of not only doing what you say you will do, but doing what you say you will do with excellence. And it shows. Over the last 7 years of serving the East Texas community, we've maintained a 4.9 rating on Facebook and a 4.6 rating on Google. We've won Locals Love Us not only once, but 4 times. And rumor has it, we're winning this year too. Not only that, but we won Longview's News Journal Reader's Choice for electronic repair here in Longview. And we were even featured in the recycler.com website for our ink and toner. Throughout the years, excellence has been a large part of our culture. We repair phones, tablets, and computers. As time went on, we launched ProFixer, where we teach other repair shops how to do highly skilled tasks like microsoldering. ProFixer is a repair shop's dream come true. And we even made an install video featuring Protection Pro. Currently, its view rate is the fastest growing of any video of its kind. Look at that, it's even outpacing Madico's own videos. I don't know how to put this, but we're kind of a big deal. So as you can see, a repair shop of our pedigree couldn't just sell any old screen protector, it had to be Protection Pro. Protection Pro is beautiful in every way. As well, they distribute through our favorite supplier, Injured Gadgets. Hey Scott. Not only does Protection Pro look great on paper, it actually does. It goes great on sandwiches too. Well, not really, unless you're into that kind of thing. In that case, all you need to do is place it on the pick scan mat, take a picture, send it to Madico, and wait 24 to 48 hours for it to be uploaded. It's literally as easy as eating a sandwich. It can cover anything: iPhones, tablets, watches, AirPods, and even convertible laptops. I know you may have heard about tempered glass, and we'd love to show you a comparison.
It's already broken.
Yeah, because that's what tempered glass does. It just breaks. You see, it wouldn't even be fair to compare them because Protection Pro is light years ahead of anyone else in the industry. Kind of like us. Maybe that's why we like them so much. So if you want something that is scratch resistant, self-healing, and virtually indestructible, get Protection Pro. You can even hit it with a hammer. Ow. And don't be ridiculous. Nothing could have survived that. I've been working out. Protection Pro is one of the best products that we carry in store. It's extremely easy to sell, performs extremely well, and you only need to stock 1 SKU for all phone models. It's a repair shop's dream come true. Once again, my name is Ben Rosso, and this is the Gadget Medic. Thanks for watching.